Parents know earaches can be painful for their children, and you may worry about what medicine is best to give your kids.
Well, now a new warning from the FDA claims that some pediatricians and pharmacists are giving out unapproved medicine. CBS 2's Dr. Max Gomez explains.
Steve Wolf still remembers how his son Dashton used to howl from the pain of his chronic ear infections.
They'd keep him up at night. He'd be crying through the night.
Steve says the doctor gave him medication, including prescription eardrops that silence the suffering.
Well, we found a combination of remedies worked best, combining antibiotics to fight the underlying infection, painkillers such as benzocaine to treat the pain.
But that ingredient is now the target of an FDA warning, which says eardrops with benzocaine can lead to dangerous side effects, even fatal in one severe case where a baby was given the drops despite warnings not to use in infants younger than 1 year. Benzocaine, a local anesthetic, is one of 6 drugs that are allowed by regulators for certain medicines, but were never evaluated by the FDA for use in eardrops.
Over the years, those medicines have been used a lot. And the FDA is simply pulling the medical community back in to say, wait a minute, there can be serious complications of these medicines.
The FDA is clamping down on companies that make and sell 16 different prescription drops for ear pain and swelling, but were never approved by the FDA. Pharmacist Zain Ravzi says he's pulling these eardrops from his shelves, and the FDA says manufacturers have to stop making them.
Now I can't even say that it's not going to harm you.
The FDA says patients should return drops with ingredients on the warning list and ask the doctor for a substitute prescription. Guidelines from the Academy of Pediatrics recommend treating ear pain with over-the-counter pain medicine and not using antibiotics unless your child has a high fever or there's a fluid buildup and discharge in the middle ear. Dr. Max Gomez, CBS 2 News.
Medicine labels don't list whether or not they are FDA approved. We did put a link to the FDA's website so you can search for specific medication.